Hi, I'm Dr. Nia Young and I'm a lecturer in Childhood and Youth Studies. So what is Childhood and Youth Studies? Well, for me, it's an extraordinary subject because it brings together ideas from such a wide range of disciplines to really understand what life is like today for children and young people. Those disciplines include psychology, sociology, education, politics, children's geographies, health and well-being, any area, in fact, that discusses the impact of our world or the experiences of children and young people. And we do that with a focus on how different childhood can be around the world and at different times and different contexts. So we have an international outlook in the way that we discuss childhood, with a focus, of course, on the context here in Wales, but also comparisons with how childhood can vary around the world. So during your studies with us, you'll have plenty of opportunities to experience work with children, and that's done through field visits, through placement opportunities, through the kinds of skills that you'll develop in your studies, and the way we assess to give you an opportunity to practice those skills in real world settings. There are a variety of opportunities to volunteer, to gain internship experiences. And our aim is to ensure that you have an opportunity to consider a breadth of experiences or to specialise in an area that you're particularly interested in. So graduates of Childhood and Youth Studies have a broad selection of work opportunities ahead of them. And some students may know at the very beginning where they want to go with that. Some may have a less clear idea where they'd like to go and would like more experiences in different areas. And we can offer both of those opportunities. We also offer a joint honours option, so you could choose to study childhood and youth studies along with psychology or social studies. And it's worth having a look at those options too. In year one of your studies, we offer a firm foundation. So during this year, we will give you opportunities to develop a clear understanding of theories of child development, to look at the key ideas within childhood studies around children's rights and the impact of society on children's experiences and development. There'll be a range of opportunities here as well, including opportunities to study issues in education and to start understanding research skills that you will need as you develop through the course. In years 2 and 3 then, you will have a firm base already in understanding children's experiences, and that will continue to develop alongside giving you opportunities to choose modules that really speak to the kinds of careers that you're interested in. So you may be interested in areas around mental health and choose those modules. You may be looking to go into teaching or education areas, and so modules in inclusion and SEN might be things you're interested in. You might be interested in youth work, and modules in adolescence may be of interest to you, or perhaps youth justice and then modules around crime and how childhood relates to criminal behaviours might pique your interest in year 3. These modules offer you that opportunity to really think about what it is that you would like to take forward as your skill set into the world of work with children and young people. And then once you've graduated, where will you go next? Well, students go into a wide range of career opportunities. A number go into teaching and education, a number go to social work. But there are a lot of contemporary developments for children's world that also offer opportunities for our graduates. Work within children's technologies, or as a child advocate, work within children's rights, or pursuing a career in counselling. These are all careers that our students have gone into in the past and that may be of interest to you. And you may also want to stay with us for another year to do your Masters in Childhood and Youth, which is also an option here at Bangor. So your next steps. In terms of applying, we ask for between 80 and 120 tariff points at level 3, and full information about what those points mean is available on the website. You'll also be required to have an enhanced DBS check in order to study, as a lot of the work obviously will be with children and young people, and so we need that verification in place. For international students, we have a list of qualifications that we recognise and welcome in the applications, and again, information about that can be found on the website. Similarly, for mature students, we encourage applications and we do consider experience as well as those qualifications. So please make sure you're letting us know what you've been doing and the work, wonderful work that you've been doing with children and young people so far. So we look forward very much to seeing you here at Bangor, and thank you very much for your time.